Today, we're featuring a 2017 Peterbilt 367 tri-drive heavy haul tractor. This unit comes fully loaded with a 36-inch sleeper cab and leather seats, plus AM/FM CD radio with GPS navigation. Check out the full gauge package on this beauty. Equipped solid with sliding fifth wheel, jake brake, and beacon lights. The unique deep purple paint job in this beauty cannot be understated. This 367 features a Cummins ISX with 550 horsepower, 260-inch wheelbase, 18-speed manual transmission with a 4.10 gear ratio, air-track suspension with 20,000 front axle rating and 69K rear. It also comes equipped with full locking rear differentials. Additionally, all Trident heavy-spec trucks from International Machinery can be converted to a tandem axle depending on your needs. We also offer lift axle conversions and can even set a custom wheelbase to your specifications. This Peterbilt has 97,500 miles on it and carries a factory warranty on the engine and transmission good until November 2021 or 400,000 miles. For more heavy equipment trucks like this Peterbilt, check out our complete inventory at internationalmachinery.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more heavy spec truck reviews and features. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook for more at International Machinery.